Guys, I'm all alone. There's a hurricane coming. What do I do? So if you didn't know, I live in Florida, and Hurricane Irma is coming to wreck my life. I'm all alone. All my roommates left. All my friends in the building left. It's just me. So I guess if you're seeing this video, I survived. But I'm smart. I got all the essentials. I got some bread, I got some peanut butter, I got some veggies, I got some soup, I got some ravioli, I got more soup, I got some more veggies, I got some more soup, baked beans, some crunchy peanut butter. Ooh, that's gonna be so good. I made some beanies and weenies yesterday. Ooh, that's gonna be lovely. I poured some water in some pots just in case I run out of like toilet water and gotta flush. I got some Kool-Aid because sometimes you get tired of water. I got more water, I got some Mountain Dew, I got more water, some chips. I got some brownies. They're pretty crappy brownies though. I got some protein bars. That's gonna be tasty. They taste like Kit Kat bars. Ooh, that's good. I also found my tuna. So yeah, that's my life right now. How are you? But I guess I'll keep you guys updated on how everything's going. So this is what we're looking like right now. It's not too bad. It's not even really raining right now. But I have a feeling it's gonna get a lot worse. Like the clouds are already getting really dark. But fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. But I guess I'm gonna play video games or... Sorry, I'm doing laundry. But I guess I'm gonna play video games or something because I'm just so bored. Don't be alone for a hurricane. But the power's not out yet, so let's cook something while we can. All right, welcome to my cooking show. Today, we're gonna make some bougie beanies and weenies. Yes, that's right, bougie beanies and weenies. For this recipe, you're gonna need some baked beans, you're gonna need some hot dogs, and then you're gonna need an assortment of different things. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is plop these here baked beans in this little pot right here. Oh yeah, get them all in there. Yeah, you don't want to eat any up in there. All right, so once you get them all in the pot, you want to put your thing on medium. You want them to cook for a little bit, all right? For our next step, we're gonna put all of our hot dogs on the plate. We're gonna cut them into little pieces, and then we're gonna put all of our little toppings on top. All right, okay. All right, so we're gonna take these bad boys and put them in our toaster oven for 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Okay, so next up, we need to bougie up our beans. So let's bougie them all up. Ooh, look at them glistening. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this and turn it to low. And for about 10 minutes, we're just gonna let that sit in there, let those flavors meld together. And then we can taste our bougie beanies and weenies. And while we're sitting here waiting, I know I didn't tell you what kind of toppings to add to your beanies and weenies, but you get to choose what makes you bougie. All right, so our 10 minutes is up. Ooh, I wish y'all could smell what I'm smelling. This smells so good. Like, ooh, just look at this. Ooh, that looks so good, don't it? Ooh, we need to plate this right now. I can't wait to taste it. Since we're eating, I guess it's a good time for that food to thaw. I'm feeling damn bougie. I know it seems like I'm taking this lightly, but hurricanes are a big deal. You need to make sure that you are fully prepared like I am. I've got all my supplies, I've got my water. So just be fully prepared and be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Oh, thanks for joining me on Bougie Meals. See you next time. It just got dark really fast.
Yeah.
All right, so the storm isn't here yet. So this is what it looks like right now. Like, I found a friend. I'm not alone anymore, so that's good. It's actually really pretty outside right now. I feel like pre-hurricane weather is like the best weather.
I think that boy's on drugs. Look at that.
You think the boy's on what?
Look at his TV. That's definitely drugs.
I am not going to film his TV. That I feel like that's illegal.
Oh, I'll film.
Alright, so day 1 is done. Everything's so good for now, so I think I'm just gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Guess I should turn off the lights, huh? I'm not one of those people that can sleep with the lights on. Alright, so it's day 2. The rain's finally here. They said we're probably gonna lose power tonight, so I don't want to film too much just in case because I want to save my battery. So, yeah. Made some spaghetti with some chicken. Well, it's the end of day 2. Nothing really crazy happened. There's been a lot of tornado warnings, but I haven't seen any, so that's good. But it's really windy and it's really rainy outside. But other than that, I'm good. Still have my power, so that's good. But we had a curfew at 7 p.m. We can't leave until 6 p.m. the next day. School's been canceled for another day, so I don't have school until Thursday. But I don't have Thursday classes. So I only have class one day this week on Friday if they have it. But I think we're gonna call it a night. See you in the morning. Night, guys. Here. Alright, so it's day 3. And we made it. I still got all my canned goods. I'm living right now. On seriousness, I know a lot of people that live around me that lost power, and I feel bad for them and everything. And I guess I'm just really blessed to live where I live. I live in a fortress, and everybody was safe. The curfews rescinded so I can go outside again. I'm honestly just so happy that everyone I know is safe. They may not have power, but being alive is better than having power. Amen? Amen. We just got super lucky. It's a little wet, it's a little windy, but nothing terrible happened. And I don't have school for 3 days. Forgot to end the video, so I survived. That's good. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.